Peace.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 317, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey. Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Rapidly changing weather conditions. Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. In New Jersey, Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex. Severe thunderstorm watch number 317 has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay until noon. At 11:04 a.m., strong thunderstorms were developing along the line extending from 7-foot Knoll to Shady Side. Knots. Some of these storms will continue to strengthen. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Pinehurst, Magacy River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Greenberry Point, Miles River, Love Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Shady Side, and Nail. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the official